We are back, and this is a gorgeous square.
Yeah,
Love this tree,
it's beautiful.
It's beautiful. Yeah?
Yeah, hang on,
It's really on.
hang on, I just want
Super cold.
to walk all around you here.
This week we're in Frankfurt, Germany. First up, we make our way to the glorious Steigenberger Frankfurter Hof, a magical grand hotel. From there, we walk over to the Platz, where we pass some incredible sights along the way. Then it is over to the Romenberg, Frankfurt's historical medieval center, where we run into a demonstration. Finally, we make our way over to the Frankfurter Dom, which was built in 1550. So grab a coffee, sit back, relax and enjoy. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
I think that's it.
Steigenberger. Yeah, that's a Steigenberger.
That's got to be it. That's got to be it, surely.
It's Steigenberger.
Yeah. Well, it looks pretty impressive. That's it. That's
Okay, where is the front?
somewhere right here.
Okay, it looks...
I think we've got to go. That's sort of a front. Wow, look out.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, that's the front.
Yeah. Well,
Maybe
sort
we should
of.
have
But
parked
the park, we've
behind
got to
this
go.
guy.
No, we've got to go into this side street here.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's where it's telling me to go.
Okay.
Yeah, yep.
Is the entrance here? Oh, yeah, that's the
central,
entrance.
yeah.
Yes, the flags and everything is here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wunderbar.
What a night. What a wonderful night.
Wunderbar.
Wonderbar.
Yeah, we arrived.
Yay. Yay.
Like at 8:24. Susan. Hi guys, we're finally in our hotel. This is Saturday night. It's 8 p.m. and this is hotel in Steigenberger.
Frankfurter Hof.
Yes. So this is a gorgeous room. It's on the second level.
Yep.
There is a bathroom here, which looks really nice.
Nice high ceilings. Bathroom is, as you would expect, magnificent with all fittings and fixtures that you could want.
Yep. And there is our room, which is really spacious. We've got TV, we've got big bed. Don't know what views we have. It's quite dark. We haven't actually checked yet.
Very high ceilings though.
High ceilings, complimentary water. However, there is no kettle or no coffee machine here.
Yeah, it's a
which
black
is
spot.
really upsetting because we want to have a coffee and there is no coffee machine.
There's no coffee machine, so
So we're gonna ask for a kettle. So we've got our own coffee.
yep.
And let's have a look. Let's do that. Okay. It's not very much views here.
Not much of a view there, just people sort of wandering around outside.
Yep. But nevertheless, the room is really fantastic.
It's lovely.
Yeah, the service was good at reception. We
Yes.
got a guy who came out and opened the door for me, grabbed our bags.
Yep.
Yeah, it was super quiet at reception because it was so late at 30 p.m.
Yeah.
Yeah. So all the staff members, they were just standing around.
Yeah.
And yeah, it was all good.
Yeah.
Really happy with this hotel so far. Although breakfast is super expensive.
Yeah.
So it was 38 euros. If you book now, it's 29 or 28?
28.
28, which is still expensive.
Nevertheless,
So anyway, here it is.
we press on. Yes.
And we're gonna just chill and relax and might go to sauna.
Yes.
Bye bye. Hi guys, this is Sunday today and we're just outside of our gorgeous Grand Hotel Frankfurter Hof.
It's gorgeous.
The weather is just so cold today, it's just like 5 degrees.
It's freezing.
Yeah, this is like the coldest day in our trip this time. I suppose it's November,
Yeah.
so it's just getting chillier. Yeah, so we're just gonna wander around, take some pictures.
Get into the bars, check out the scene.
Yeah, we're hoping to get a sausage as well. Hopefully
Yeah, I would love
one
a
of those
sausage.
stands. That would be awesome.
Yeah, one of those stands, one of
We've
those
been in
kiosks.
Germany a whole week and we haven't even had even one sausage yet.
Sacrilege.
That's
Should
just
never happen.
Not good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alrighty. Well, we'll talk to you soon. Bye bye. Hi guys. We're on our way to the old town in Frankfurt. You already can see like this beautiful bits of architecture.
It's beautiful.
Cannot wait to see the old town.
Yeah, we want to see the old town.
It's super cold. We're freezing.
Yeah, it's only about 7 degrees or something, or maybe
No,
less.
I think it's 5.
5, okay. It's definitely cold.
Yeah, I need to put my beanie on.
Yeah.
The next available opportunity.
Yeah. Next available opportunity.
Yeah, so it's Sunday today. So, I don't know, that's not too crowded so far.
So far, so good.
So far we're just walking.
Yeah, so far, so good.
So it's afternoon, not at 2 o'clock.
Yeah. The rat's colour, that's the rat's colour.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
that looks epic.
Yeah, they're very epic building.
Yeah,
Oh, here we go.
here we go. It's all happening.
Yeah, it's all happening here.
We love the scooters here.
They do.
Scooters and
I love scooters.
yeah,
It's all about the scooter here.
crazy.
Yeah.
Scooter.
Just try and get this building in shot. It's gorgeous. Yeah, that's it. This is part of it anyway.
Yeah, fantastic. Looks spectacular.
Yeah.
So we should be able to find some souvenirs shops. Hopefully
Yeah.
we can find a sausage.
Yeah, sausage. Everybody wants a sausage.
Yeah, one sausage, that's
Yeah.
for sure.
Everybody wants
Who doesn't
sausage.
want to have a sausage?
Who doesn't want a sausage?
Especially German traditional sausage.
Yeah, everybody wants a traditional German Wurst, Deutsche Wurst.
Yeah.
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 All right,
Guys are crying, don't
we'll
worry.
say goodbye for a sec.
Okay, we'll say goodbye. See you soon, guys. Bye bye.
Talk to you shortly.
Howdy, guys. We are back, and this is a gorgeous square.
Yeah,
Love
it's
the trees.
beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah.
Yeah, hang on, I'll
Put
just
a beanie on.
hang on, I just want
Super cold.
just walk all around you here. It's so beautiful. Okay,
Alrighty,
we'll just move along here and check things out.
we're just gonna go across the road to the old town.
There's more old town to check out here.
What's happening there?
It's all happening.
People there and stuff.
Oh wow, you can see action here. Yeah, I reckon there's got to be a worse stand. There's so many.
Look at that, there's a good sausage there. Where's the good sausage like?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, oh wow. We're going to live. We're going to live. We're going to grab a sausage. All right, we better cross the road here carefully.
We're gonna cross. Have to wait. Okay, maybe we'll let this go.
Yeah.
Wow, okay. Something 7 in there.
Yeah.
What is that, some kind of demonstration?
Yeah. Some sort of demonstration for somebody. Oh wow, this is awesome.
Wow, lovely.
I love active tourism where you get to see demonstrations and all that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this square is gorgeous.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
The sausage stuff.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I don't know what it's all about.
I don't know either, but it's great scenery.
It's interesting.
Yeah. It's gorgeous stuff, as you can see. It's,
Yeah, that's
the,
awesome.
the old town around here is just magic.
Yeah. It's super cool. Should we go closer?
Yeah, a little bit. We don't know what it's about.
Yeah, we don't know because yeah, we
It's-
only know
it's
a
great
little
to
bit
be-
of German.
It's great to be
Don't know
close.
that much.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe you guys know what it's all about.
Maybe you
Somebody
know.
who speaks German.
Yeah, you can let us know in the comment section what it's all about.
Yeah.
But it looks fascinating nevertheless.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Yeah, they're hot. Yeah, it's for Bolivia. It's to do with Bolivia.
Oh, jeez. Okay.
Yeah. And to our Bolivian friends, we understand that you've always got concerns, but up at that altitude, there's positives as well.
Oh, good. Alrighty.
Alrighty, we're getting excited here. We'll probably get some sausages.
Yeah. And
Yeah,
souvenirs
it's
and stuff.
definitely a sausage vibe and souvenirs.
Yeah. Thanks, guys.
Bye-bye.
Don't forget to follow me on Instagram on kelanicholas.au, where you can stay up to date on all my latest photos from our travels overseas and locally. Also smash the like button and subscribe to get notified whenever a new video is online. I really appreciate your support and kind comments. Hi guys, this is the monument to Friedrich Schwarzer. And it's a gorgeous little square.
Yeah, it's a gorgeous little square here dedicated to his memory.
Yeah.
And it's very popular here.
It's very popular. We just had our sausage as well.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Unfortunately, it was outside. Yeah, feeling really cold at this point.
Yeah. But it's epic. It's quite epic.
Yeah, it's quite epic.
All right, we'll have to move on from here because it's getting very popular here.
Tour groups.
Yeah, it's getting full on. All right, guys.
Hi guys, so we just basically walked a few meters away and here it is, this gorgeous Frankfurt Cathedral just behind me.
Yeah, it's amazing. Absolutely amazing.
So many
historical,
tourists around.
gorgeous. Yeah, it's busy tourist day.
Yeah, Sunday, so everyone is out and about.
Yeah, everyone's out and about. It's crazy.
It's crazy.
Yeah. It's full on. Should we walk around a bit? Yeah, it's full on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's super grand.
Super grand. This building behind us here is actually quite neat as well with the cafe in it.
Yeah, we might actually pop in.
Yeah, we might pop in. It looks gorgeous.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
Yeah. Oh wow, we should maybe go that way. Yeah. Yeah.
Look here.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So yeah, it just looks beautiful.
Oh wow, there's restorations going on over here.
No, not again.
Restorations.
Place you guys, look at some kind of restorations.
It's restorations.
Oh man, did you want to see it from behind, yeah?
That's okay.
Now all we see is just restoration.
Restorations.
Yeah.
Just restorations.
I know.
That's life, I guess. Alrighty, we'll say goodbye for now.
Guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi guys, we're just in a different spot just to capture a better view of the cathedral.
Yeah, it's much better from here.
Yeah, absolutely stunning.
Yeah, it is.
Gorgeous it is. Yeah. The weather is still super cold.
Super cold, and a coffee would be awesome right around
Yeah,
about
we're
now.
looking forward to jumping in that cafe there
Yeah,
and having a coffee and a cake or something.
yeah, we're looking forward to it because it's so bitterly cold.
We need to warm up a little bit before we move on to
We desperately need to warm up because this is just inhuman.
Yeah, not used to this weather, that's for sure.
That's right.
Alrighty,
Alrighty, we're going to say goodbye now.
and we'll see you shortly.
See you shortly. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, we finally reached the Goddard House.
A great man.
Hi guys, this is the legendary Opera House.
Yeah, the old.
Yeah, but it's just so light you can't actually see it in the video.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Okay.